Hi guys, HT605MA here, and what we have here is the first printed single engine Simchair MKIII Collective with the physical throttle latch button installed. We also have the 412 head here for a test, but you can install any other head here instead of it. But I think this combo will be most convenient for general gaming, because this head has more buttons than any other on it, and this physical throttle latch is really cool if you fly the single throttle, single engine helicopters mostly. So let's look at how it works, how it looks. So this is a purely physical button. You can see that to close the throttle completely we need to press it, and when we turn it to the left, gently increasing the throttle, it will pop up at some point. So now we can open throttle. But it won't let the throttle to turn past the idle stop position until we press it and turn the throttle. So it's pretty nice. I will add this. I will add a special function to the software tonight. What it will do, it will send the keyboard or maybe joystick, I'm not sure yet, key when the throttle grip will be in its zero position. So we need it because in some helicopters in Xplane, like my favorite Dreamfoil Bell 407, this function is actually controlled by a button press. So basically you set the throttle grip to zero position, and then you press some joystick button, and that is called throttle latch in Xplane. And then what Xplane does is just simply closes the throttle and presses this button simultaneously. So it's not too realistic in Xplane, but here we will have it done properly. So you will be doing it just like you will do it in the real 407. So close the throttle to the stop, push the button, and rotate the throttle stick, throttle grip. I really like it. I hope you guys will like it too. It is already available for download, so you can try it, print it. It's only 3 parts. This one, three major parts, because this part here consists of 4 parts. I2C connector part, this button is 2 parts, and this little cap here, that is glued, it's also a separate part, but it's really just a few minutes to print. So I2C connector assembly, connector housing assembly, the throttle grip, and the throttle frame part 2, which is inside here. So the cool thing about it is you can actually upgrade your existing flavor with this mod. It will only take around like maybe half an hour to install. So think about it. If you want it, you can try it. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy flying, guys.